360 Rebound Vacuum Cleaner Menu. Package contents. Quick guide. After reading the protective film on the surface of the charging dock, please tear it off. Connect the power cord and replenish the extra wire into the trunking. Place the charging dock on the level surface and connect the power supply. Please make sure that the charging dock has more than 0.5 meters of empty space on each side and more than 1.5 meters in front. Place the robotic cleaner within 1 meter directly in front of the charging dock. Press and hold the power button to turn it down. After a voice prompt, click the home button and the robot will automatically go forward to charge. Do not move the charging dock frequently and avoid placing it in direct sunlight. Scan the QR code to download the app. Open the app and quickly register. Simultaneously, press and hold the power button and the home button for 3 seconds to match the network. iPhones must connect the robot cleaner to the Wi-Fi hotspot in Settings, Wireless Local Area Network, then return to the app to connect the network. Cleaning step. Before starting the cleaning, please clean up debris, fragile materials, wires, liquids, valuables, etc. scattered on the ground. To start cleaning, open the 360 Smart app on your phone and click to start cleaning, or press the power button on the robot cleaner. To use the mopping mode to clean, remove the tail water tank assembly. Remove the mop. Wet the mop and rinse it out. Open the water tank lid. Fill it up with water. Cover the water tank lid firmly. And stick on the mop to install the water tank assembly on the tail. 360 Rebound Vacuum Cleaner Menu. Package contents. Quick guide. After reading the protective film on the surface of the charging dock, please tear it off. Connect the power cord and replenish the extra wire into the trunking. And only the other areas will be cleaned. To send customized cleaning, click Specify on the right. Specify one or multiple designated cleaning areas, and choose to clean once or twice. Click Go Cleaning to complete the setting. After setting customized cleaning, the cleaner will only clean the specified area and will not enter other areas. .360 Rebound Vacuum Cleaner Menu. Package contents. Quick guide. After reading the protective film on the surface of the charging dock, please tear it off. Connect the power cord and replenish the extra wire into the trunking. And only the other areas will be cleaned. To send customized cleaning, click Specify on the right. Specify one or multiple designated cleaning areas, and choose to clean once or twice. Click Go Cleaning to complete the setting. After setting customized cleaning, the cleaner will only clean the specified area and will not enter other areas. Introduction to common functions of the app. When sweeping, the robot will scan and generate maps. Then, they intelligently partition by first cleaning along the wall. Then in the zigzag pattern for the rest of the room, and completing the cleaning by moving from one room to the next. Use the mobile app to select the quiet mode, standard mode, or powerful mode. Press any button on the robot cleaner to pause the cleaning. In the pause mode, press the home button on the robot cleaner or use the app to get the robot to charge, and the cleaner will automatically go to the charging dock. The app has set the scheduled cleaning time, and the robot will automatically start cleaning at the specified time. When no one is in the house, do not use the water tank assembly to mop the floor. Open the app on your mobile phone and click on Robot Positioning to find the robot position by voice prompt. Daily Cleaning. Press the Open button. Remove the dust bin. Gently power out the garbage. Remove the filter assembly. It is recommended to replace the side brushes once every 3 to 6 months. Clean the sensors from time to time. Anti-job sensor. Charging pole piece. Infrared collision protection sensor and recharge sensor. Wall sensor. LiDAR cover anti-collision sensor. Clean the charging dock. You can upgrade the firmware of the robot cleaner through the mobile app. Please update the system according to the prompts. Every update can make your robot more and more intelligent. Thank you for choosing 360 Robot Vacuum Cleaner.